How does social isolation affect the brain in schizophrenia? Imagine living in a world where social interactions feel distant and overwhelming. For many individuals with schizophrenia, social isolation is a painful reality that can deeply affect their brain function and overall well-being. Let's break down how this isolation impacts the brain and contributes to the challenges faced by those living with schizophrenia. Social isolation leads to less engagement with others, which is vital for keeping cognitive skills sharp. In individuals with schizophrenia, this lack of interaction can result in declines in important cognitive functions, such as language ability and memory recall. Research indicates that males may experience these cognitive declines more severely. This makes it harder for them to process social information and engage effectively, which only deepens their isolation. On a neurological level, social isolation impacts key brain regions responsible for social perception and emotional processing. Areas such as the amygdala and hippocampus, located in the medial temporal lobe, are affected. When these areas do not function properly, individuals struggle to recognize facial expressions and social cues. This can lead to social withdrawal, as it becomes increasingly difficult to interpret and respond to social signals. Loneliness, a common result of social isolation, activates a network of brain regions that includes the default mode network, striatum, anterior insula, midbrain, and hypothalamus. These areas play roles in processing rewards, detecting important stimuli, and regulating stress. Experiencing loneliness can heighten stress responses and negatively impact brain circuits related to motivation and emotional regulation. Genetic studies have revealed a bidirectional relationship between social isolation and schizophrenia. This means that genetic factors influencing loneliness and social disconnection may also increase the risk of developing schizophrenia. Conversely, the disorder itself can contribute to feelings of isolation. This connection highlights that social isolation is not merely a consequence but may also play a role in the progression of the disorder. Behaviorally, social isolation can lead to increased aggression and forgetfulness. Animal studies have shown that prolonged isolation can alter brain chemistry and behavior. Specific neuropeptides, such as TAC2, have been identified as mediators of these effects, although their exact role in humans with schizophrenia is still being researched. To combat social isolation in schizophrenia, interventions that enhance social skills and cognitive functions are essential. Training programs focused on improving emotion recognition and perspective taking can help reduce feelings of disconnection. Community engagement and psychosocial support are also crucial in counteracting the harmful effects of isolation, improving cognitive performance, and supporting recovery. Social isolation in schizophrenia disrupts brain regions critical for social cognition and emotional regulation. It worsens cognitive decline, increases feelings of loneliness and stress, and may even interact genetically with the disorder. Addressing these issues through targeted social and cognitive interventions can help break this cycle and improve long-term outcomes for individuals living with schizophrenia.